Today I will be teaching you for loops. For loops are a simpler version of while loops. They have three components. First we write for, and then we establish a variable which we will use in the other two components of the for loop. We'll just call it count. Now count will equal 1, and what this does is that it ensures that the loop starts at 1. Now count greater than or equal to 10. This is the second statement. This makes sure that it'll loop 10 times but not going over 10. And then the last one is count plus plus. What the count plus plus does is that ensures that the loop prints out the numbers one at a time. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It'll print one at a time. Now, you also want to be able to see your results, so all you would simply do is write the printing statement and then you would put the variable inside. So the variable would be count, so you're putting count inside to find out the loop. And that's precisely what it does. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But what if you don't necessarily want to start at 1? Well, that's simple. You would just simply have to change it. If you wanted to start at 3, you would write 3. And then it'll start at 3. As long as you're starting it at a point that makes sense to Java, like that's abiding by the parameters you set in the second statement, it can work. So let's say you want to go to 30. Well, if you want to start at 30, you need to set it to a number that's greater than or equal to 30, as stated over here. So you would put any number higher than 30, so 50 now. Now it'll print all the numbers one at a time from 30 down to 50. You can do an infinite amount of things with this type of for loop, with this type of loop. Now you not only want to be able to control what number you started at, you probably want to be able to control how many times it prints the number, like at what rate that it prints the number. You have it set to 1 with this, but what if you want it to be set higher? So all you would have to do is, for example, you want it to print by 3. You would simply change from plus plus to count plus equals 3. So now let's see the result. Now it only prints in increments of 3. So 30, 33, 36, 39, so on and so forth. But you also want, now let's say you feel like changing it to a different amount of times that it prints. So 5, for example. Now it'll print by 5. 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. And this is basically the for loop. Now you can create your own for loop.